It's time for another beach adventure in Malta. This is Stone Beach, located on the northeast coast of Malta, right next to a rescue station, Stone, that's called. It is not an official beach, but it's quite an interesting texture here on the nature. And from here I also visited not so far away the World War II beach post. So yeah, exploring Malta on this wonderful January. Today is 20th of January to be exact. 19 degrees Celsius in the air with some sun right now, and the sea temperature is 16.8 degrees Celsius. This is my day 2, as I have arrived later in the afternoon yesterday. So this is the 4th beach for today and 5th in total, as I only did a sunset swim yesterday. I'm gonna be staying here in Malta for 4 days, and in these episodes in Malta I'm sharing interesting facts about Malta with you as well. And the fact for this episode is that the only way to get fresh water here in Malta is from the sea, because there are no rivers on this island. So they are filtering the water from the sea, which means that it's not maybe a good idea to drink the tap water. So it's better if you buy water from stores, which is not the case for Sweden, where I come from. So tap water is amazing, and many other countries in the world. So it's a very good color of the water here, as you can see. It looks amazing, and it gives also nudist beach vibes, this one, if it wasn't for the rescue station there. But there are no official nudist beaches actually in Malta, because it's forbidden. All right, look at that. It looks amazing. Let's then look at the color of the water. Isn't it beautiful? Amazing. Look at that. So right now it's 1:20 p.m. So 20 past 1, and it's time to explore more here in Malta. So let's take a swim here at this Stone Beach. Let's go! Oh my god, did you see the color of the water? So I opened my eyes to check out the color, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful indeed. And we can see also from here, as this is the whole Mellieha Bay, we can also see the villages of Mellieha and the other villages there as well. Here you can also see the beach as well. Quite nice, quite nice. Amazing. Alright, that was another beach adventure from Malta. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!